How to enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I would like to guide you to enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook app. Without further ado, let's begin. Open Facebook app on your device. Make sure to sign in to your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. And first you need to switch to your Facebook account if you haven't yet. Now scroll to the bottom of your screen and select Setting in Privacy. Tap on Settings option, scroll down and look for the option of Profile and Tagging. Select that option. Now choose who can post on your profile at top of your screen and you can easily select Friends. Afterwards, you need to tap on the Save button at bottom of your screen and with that, this will enable others to post on your timeline on Facebook app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.